Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform. I'm going to show you a simple way to convert a CSV file to Markdown. So here we have a CSV file with some customer information. Let's output it. This is already a Markdown format from the various formats available. So let's just save it with the name output, and then we can look at the file. Okay, so here it is in Markdown format. We can also apply any transforms that we need to the file. For example, we might want to rename a few columns. It's then automatically output again. And here we can see the columns changed. Lots of different transforms are available. We can save the file to use again. If we have lots of files to convert, we can use the batch processing feature. This can convert hundreds or thousands of files. See our batch processing video for more details. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. Download a free trial from our website now.